Yes, hey guys, we are back with gonna make some fantastic Love Monster. You're gonna love this one. So get your old jars, empty ones of course, so make sure your mum's used that pasta up, whatever you're using. Now do be careful because obviously it's glass, but you can use any jar. You can use a plastic jar or a cardboard one or whatever you want. So it doesn't have to be glass, but I'm going for a glass one today. And it's also good for recycling. We're upcycling, aren't we? So that is really cool too. So we're going to get some felt. I did go and buy this felt. I got this from the Works because there's a lot of red glittery felt at the minute. So this is from there, just one piece I got. And it's got like little flecks of glitter in that. That was really nice. Because I did have an intention, I just thought, I really like it. I thought this would make a real cool Love Monster little project, and I thought I'd love to share it with everybody. And you can make all your little Love Monsters as well, which is really good. We love CBBS. So you need a glue gun as well, so do get a grown up for this. You don't need a glue gun, you can stick it down with double-sided tape or other things, but I'm going to use a glue gun today, so make sure you get a grown up if you are doing this as well. So just literally just cover it. Cut a little section off that we're going to use for the arms, you'll see that in a moment, but just cover the glass everywhere with the glue very quickly. It is very hot, so do be careful again, and it dries very, very quick, so you do have to be really quick with your gun as well. And be careful also when you're pressing it doesn't come through the material and gives you a little burn, so be careful of that too. Glue the bottom part, so we're just going to do that, and then overfold it at the top, but try and just stick out a little bit of like pointy ears Love Monster has. So just put, you don't need to be neat, see I've just done it nice and rough. Then the little section that I cut off earlier, we're going to make the arms out of this. So 2 little sections, that's all you need. And then we're going to get the glue gun to go either side, just one strip, and just slightly fold it over. And then you haven't got a blunt end then on that side, it's nice and curved. And you'll see this in a minute when both sides are folded over. So do both sides, and then do the other one. And just with your glue gun on the other side as well, do that too. And then we're going to flip that over, so you're not going to see that side, but we're going to do one arm curling round, holding his little teddy monster, and then we're also going to do one arm by its side down. So here's the one down by the side, and just stick that at the top there, a little bit of glue just on the top, and just stick that in. And then this one we're going to glue just on the side, but don't glue the top, because that's where this little teddy's going to go. So keep that a little bit open. Then we're back to masking tape. You know I love my masking tape, so get your masking tape and just tear little pieces off, or you can cut it to make the little hands and the little heart on him and his feet. And also the eyes. The eyes are quite an unusual shape. You've got one eye a little bit bigger than the other eye if you're quite observant, looking at the Love Monster pictures and stuff online. So masking tape's great for that, because you can cut to whatever you want. Then get a pen and just colour it in. I've just got a little pink colour just to give it a little bit of pink on the hands and on the feet, a little bit of blue on the heart. And then you can start adding in the details. So then around the hands, you just get a black liner or marker and just go around the detail for the hands and the feet and the toes, and also the eyes and the pupil. So as you can see, it looks a little bit more resemble like it. And I also used a white marker to make the eyes pop a bit as well. And then just get the shape and get your marker and just go over the felt. And you might need to do it a few times, because obviously these markers not really made for material and felt, so you might have to just repeat the same line to get that colour. And colour your heart in blue and go around that. And then we start doing our little flicks, which is on the Love Monster body, and just nice and quick. You don't have no messing, you don't have to be nice and neat with this, you can just do it quite quick. So it's really good for all the kids to join in this. You will really enjoy making this one. And you can see, just flick, 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 that's it, done. And go all the way around, and there we have it, all the way there. You will absolutely love this one. It is so much fun. So now it's a little bear, so a bit of masking tape, draw him on, and then colour him in and outline him. And that is it. Stick some on the back as well, so it's not too sticky, and then you can just pop him in the top. And there he is, there's his little teddy monster, yeah! So that's just a finishing little touch there. Or you can put something else in there, a little rubber or a pencil sharpener or something like that. And then you can pop your pens in the top, or paint brushes or whatever. My boy's got Lego in it, he's filled it full of Lego. So these are great for anything. So yeah, give it a go. You will love making these little love monsters and anything else in the same way as well. And come and join us over at Kimberley Vickers Kids Art Attack, and yeah, be fab to give a like and subscribe, and more back to you with more projects and things, because I just absolutely love this and getting the kids involved. Fantastic.